So the width, height, and color are all off.
Yes.
We're over 3.
Over 3.
This is a big problem. It's
Yeah,
like,
the wall doesn't even line up with this wall right here.
Yeah,
Right.
it would just look like this weird afterthought because there's no transition.
Yeah. I think we just first exhaust our options with the floor. We take a sample out and we just go to, different floor companies and just see if anyone has anything remotely close to this and maybe have something
And
in
then
stock.
also, if you could text the previous owner, find out where they got it from, and
Okay.
then we can also try to call them too and locate it. You never know. Pray for a miracle.
Yeah.
Because this is a big job and a big delay.
So who's texting Kristen? Because I'm not telling her this.
You try to locate the floors. You try to match them.
Okay.
I'll tell Kristen.
Perfect.
All right.
Mike has been searching for a match with 0 luck. So James and I are out shopping today.
That one looks very similar.
Oh my God, it's not even close.
What?
Stand back.
Oh my gosh, hold it up. Look at that piece right. Oh,
Uh-huh.
no.
No, we'll never fly
It's
with
a little
somebody.
orangey over. There's nothing over here.
Just when I thought that all hope was lost, we got some great news from Jeff. The previous owners were able to give him the name and product number of the wood floors, so I reached out to my friend George, who has a flooring and tile store, and he thinks he has a match.
You know how to drive that thing?
Yep. You have to do everything around here.
You sure?
Wow, you can do everything, George.
Oh my God, this is kind of freaky.
It's not even in. Look at, look.
I thought for sure it's going down.
Do you really think it's gonna fall down?
Yes! Okay, George.
right.
Doesn't look
Let's
like
see.
our wood.
I know. Let me see the wood.
You can do the honors.
Let's see it. What do you think? I think it's a dead-on match.
Oh my gosh, it's the exact size.
job, George.
Color. Oh my gosh, look at you. Nice
I knew I had
work.
it. It's a really nice color.
So grateful for my friend George. He's one of those people who always manages to come through for me. Good thing too, because progress in the bathroom has been stalled out waiting on these floors. We can now get them installed.
Those are perfect.
All right, cool.
Thank you.
Let's write it up.
All right, the flooring is in and it looks beautiful. Do you want to pull up that sheet right there so we can see? So remember that was the piece that we feathered in, those pieces?
Right.
They look good,
Fantastic.
right?
Good find.
Yes.
Yes.
It matches,
perfect. Yes.
it butts up together perfectly, the color looks wonderful, and you have flooring throughout.
Yes. So much better.
Oh, welcome. We're getting closer to a point to where she can actually spend a night in the bedroom.
Yeah, because, I was confused because, Kristen, this is the first time I've ever seen you in color. Can you not access your closet?
No, and we look like a watermelon.
First of all, I was shocked when I first saw him in this because I was thinking, I can't believe Kristen let him wear that, but then I saw you in color.
I know, I'm very uncomfortable. I don't like
going
it.
full throttle. Chase the rainbow.
Oh my gosh. Wow, okay. So the shiplap's in, everything's coming along. We are officially in the home stretch. From here on out, you guys are not allowed back in here. So grab the clothes you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Good?
All right.
All right. Have you guys peeked?
No.
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 Okay.
Can't wait to see
I
it.
can't wait.
You guys ready?
Yes.
All right, come on in.
Oh my gosh.
This is amazing.
It's so beautiful.
It's not pink. You guys knocked it out of the park.
Oh my gosh, the floors.
The floors match.
The floors match.
The tile's amazing.
Come on in.
Oh my gosh, it's humongous. Oh my gosh, look at this.
This is like,
It's like a mile hike to get to the sofa.
it's like 9 feet.
It is. It's the biggest shower I've ever done.
It is beautiful.
It's the only shower I've ever seen with candles in it.
Yeah, because that won't even get wet.
We've obviously been living in the house and seeing the progress, but seeing it all come together has really been amazing.
All the details that Christina and James have added are wonderful.
It really feels like a spa, and I love it.
This is unreal, and the shiplap across just matches the rest of the house.
I'm really glad that we didn't carry this tile over and do it behind the mirrors as well. I feel like that would have been marble overkill.
Yes.
But it looks perfect in here. The combination of the herringbone with the little tiles on the ground, the 1x1s on the shower pan, like everything looks perfect.
I mean, one thing we're missing here is that the piece that ties it all together is the countertop that I picked.
Good point.
I mean,
You did
It's so pretty.
You won one thing. Look, it's you. Every time
Like I
you're brushing
said.
your teeth,
Yes.
you're like, look, I won.
His one thing.
I think Christina definitely did a good job for me as a mediator. Even though I knew it was going to be a 90-10 split, she still threw things my way. She incorporated just enough of that coastal masculine feel that I was looking for.
And it's a good mix of my Southern glam as well.
So remember what it used to look like in here? You had those pink cabinets.
Horrible.
Looked bizarre. You had the teeny tiny shower.
Yes.
Everything was not functional.
Right.
We have drawer pulls.
Yes, you didn't even have handles.
We could open our drawers, yes.
Is it still pink? Nope.
It's not.
Oh, see? Fancy,
Perfect.
fancy bathroom.
Awesome. Great job.
It's amazing.
So there's so much of a better flow now between the bedroom and the bathroom. Remember that awkward wing wall that we had?
Yeah.
Yes, it was terrible.
Removing that was the best decision. Like, it feels
Right.
so much more spacious, and the vibe of the bedroom flows perfectly into the bathroom. It feels like one cohesive space.
It really does. It looks so much bigger, too.
It does.
Like, the entire room looks huge.
Yeah, and that was just a simple fix.
Yes.
Nothing like structural, nothing super costly, and it
Yeah.
made the biggest difference.
Now you can see the bedroom, the bathroom, but you can't see my countertop.
Oh, you have to round the corner.
Too bad.
I know.
You have to walk around.
You have to walk around to see my contribution.
Like a totally different room.
Exceeds expectations. Nice work. Thank you.
But there's more.
There is?
Yeah.
What's more?
Upstairs.
All right.
Upstairs.
It might be more, maybe a little bit more for Kristen again, Jeff. I apologize.
Oh, really? She gets another
I'll
win?
take it.
All right, welcome to your yoga studio, office, kids playroom.
I love this.
This looks good.
This was kind of, so I wanted a place to do yoga, but I really did want a place that was quiet, that I could come up here and do my calls and just do work or whatever it is I need to get done and not be bothered. So this is perfect.
And it's all still color neutral.
It is.
Even your weights.
Yes.
Oh, wait, we got some
Love
pink
it.
weights
We
though.
got some mauve.
It's mauve.
It was fun revamping the space into a yoga room and office for Kristen. And who knows, maybe Jeff will get into yoga too.
Oh, I got a cramp.
Got it. This has just been the most amazing experience, really. Without Christina and Mike and James, I mean, what they've done and kind of bringing our ideas to life and making them exponentially better than we could have ever imagined. Thank you so much.
It looks wonderful. Thank you for all your help.
Love you guys.
Lovely.
Glad you're happy.
Perfect.
The bathroom is amazing, and I'm so glad that Kristen and Jeff are happy. Working with friends is always fun.